Hey guys, it's Maylee, and today I'm going to be making some slime. I know it's been so long since I made slime, probably like 4 years? I don't know, 5, 6? But it's been so long since I made slime and I kind of miss it, so yeah, let's get right into it. So first I'm going to add some school glue, and it's Elmer's school glue. Alright, I'm gonna add some of this clear glue because I want it to be glossy. Let's add some baby oil. And you could get this at dollar stores like Dollar Tree or 99-cent stores. Right, that's probably about 1 teaspoon. I think I might keep this as a base slime. So I'll leave it like this first and then I'll add like all the other add-ins later. So we're gonna make some activator. Here I have some water and this is borax. So I'm gonna add maybe 2 teaspoons. Oh no, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. That's half a teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon. I'm just gonna mix it. I want it to spill. I'll mix it one. And you want to mix it until the borax dissolves. Alright, now I'm gonna mix up the ingredients. Look how pretty. Oh my god, it's so oily. I forgot to put lotion. So lotion makes it a lot more softer and kind of adds to the glossiness because of what's in lotion. So you want to mix it until all the baby oil is combined. Sometimes it's hard since it might separate from the glue. Just like so. Perfect. Now I'm going to add some borax. That was a lot. So what I like to do is scrape it from the bottom, and then it'll eventually pull all together, and it'll make it easier for kneading. Alright, one. I'm gonna start mixing with my hands. This is like slime making without a bowl challenge. When you get the slime less sticky like this, you just want to bring back your bowl and just throw it in there, and get your spatula again, and just mix it around. This way you have a clean bowl for after making your slime, and you don't exactly have to wash it, but you can rinse it, and it'll be a lot easier to use for next time. Pretty much clean and ready to use for another slime. Don't forget the spatula. So we have our slime. It kind of looks like mozzarella cheese. Feels so fluffy. Ta-da!